Hello everyone, I'm finally going to be doing a shuffle tutorial today because a lot of you have been asking and I've been putting it off, but now I'm finally here doing it and I'm so excited because never would I have ever thought that I would be filming a tutorial, because there are plenty of people out there to watch how to shuffle from, and it just makes me so happy that you guys want to learn from me. So today I'm going to be showing you the simple basic running man, which is the foundation of shuffling. If you want to learn how to shuffle, I feel like this is the move that everybody learns. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is hop open. Just jump open like this. You want to jump open like that and keep it centered. You want to pretend that, okay, let's use this. You want to pretend that there is like a string in the middle of you, and you want to keep everything centered. So we'll use this as a marker. I don't know if you can see that, but this is your center. You always want to keep your upper body centered, but your legs are going to jump out. See how my upper body stays in the middle? And then you're going to bring your front leg into the center, and then your left leg up at the same time. So you want it to go like that. I don't know if that makes any sense. I'm so sorry. I'm so bad at explaining, but just watch me. The main thing that you want to do is stay on the balls of your feet. You never want to plant your heels on the floor. You want to stay bouncy. So like that. You just have to keep practicing, just keep drilling that move. It's all about muscle memory, so the more you do it, the more your legs are gonna memorize like how they move like that. You know, it's gonna be weird at first because you haven't really like shuffled. So if you haven't shuffled, if you've never shuffled yet, it's gonna feel weird. But as long as you keep practicing, just keep drilling those moves over and over. Like, I do it when I'm brushing my teeth. I do it when I'm like in the kitchen waiting for the water to boil. I just like, you know, do it like around my house, literally like every second that I get. I know it seems silly, but like the more you do it, like if you do it every single day, like it doesn't matter if it's to music or not, just do this. Just keep doing that and you'll be good. But yeah, I hope you guys like this running man tutorial. I'm so out of breath. But yeah, I hope you guys like this tutorial, and tag me in your videos if you learn how to shuffle. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next video. The next video is going to be a running man kickback video, so keep practicing that running man, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. I just want to say that I hope that these tutorials are helping you guys in some sort of way, because I feel like I'm not the best at explaining things. I guess just watch what I do. Oh my gosh, I'm just doubting myself so much because These tutorials have been highly requested, and I guess I just like don't have that much confidence in myself to be putting tutorials out there, because I'm just like, why does anybody want to learn from me? But you know what, we're all out here to just create and support each other. So I hope you guys like my tutorials, no matter how bad they might suck. Before you start these tutorials, I also wanted to add, when you start out shuffling, the number one thing that you should do is never ever compare yourself to other dancers, because this is what I learned. So when I started shuffling, I would always compare myself to other people. I'm just like, why can't I look like them? Like, I want to, you know, I wish that I can like dance like them someday. But the thing is, you're never gonna dance like them, because they have their own style. Every single person dancing has their own style. So yeah, shuffling is just like a wide range of dancing. Like, everybody can shuffle, but not everyone will have the same exact style. And I don't know how else to explain it. Just the more that you watch dancers, the more you'll recognize their styles. So I just want to put that out there, and just to remember that, because if you start comparing yourself, you're gonna get discouraged and you're gonna be miserable. So do not do that. You're gonna learn at your own pace, you're gonna have your own style. Eventually, just keep on practicing and you will get it. So yeah, I just wanted to add that in here really quick. For all you new shufflers out there, I'm so happy. Welcome to the Shuffle fam. Welcome to the world of shuffling. Always remember to keep practicing every single day, and I hope you guys enjoy these tutorials.